Hi, this is Ram from ramkedem.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use some common scalar functions that operate on numeric values. I will introduce the round, ceiling, and floor functions. So, the floor function rounds the number towards 0, downwards. For example, let's say, select floor of 5.9. And as you can see, we are getting 5. Pretty simple. The ceiling function rounds the number away from 0, always up. So, for example, when we say select ceiling of 5.1, as you can see, we are getting 6. Round. The round function rounds the number to the nearest integer. So, this function could round the number upwards or downwards. Also, when we are using this function, we need to specify the number of decimal places to which we want to round the number. Let's see a few examples. Let's say, select round 5.40. This function, as you can see, returns 5. The number was rounded downwards because 5.4 is closer to 5 than 6. In general, the numbers in the range of 0 to 4 will round the number downwards, and the numbers in the range of 5 to 9 will round the number upwards. And 0 simply means we want to round the number to 0 decimal places, or in other words, to an integer. Let's see another example. Select round of 5.50. This time we are getting 6. The number was rounded upwards because 5.5 is closer to 6 than 5. As we said, numbers in the range of 0 to 4 will round the number downwards, and numbers in the range of 5 to 9 will round the number upwards. 0, again, means we want to round the number to 0 decimal places, or in other words, to an integer. One more example. Let's say, select round of 6.7349. This time we specified 3, meaning we want to round the number to 3 decimal places. And again, the number that determines how the number will be rounded is in the range of 5 to 9, meaning we are rounding the number upwards. Okay, let's conclude our lesson by applying all of the functions we learned on customers table. Let's type the following query. In this query, we are displaying the customer ID, last name, monthly discount, and new calculated discount. This column rounds the new calculation to 3 decimal places. This column rounds the new calculation always downwards. And this column rounds the new calculation always upwards. So that was a concluding example to the functions we learned in this lesson. Please feel free to ask any question you may have in the comments section below. And if you are looking for a way to practice what we have just learned, in ramkedem.com you will find hundreds of exercises on many different levels. More details can be found in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.